Hey everybody, Mr. Redstone here, and in this video what I'm going to do is introduce you to an algebraic puzzle called a mobile puzzle, also called a balance puzzle. And what you're trying to do is figure out the value of each shape that's listed given the clue that was provided. So I'm going to do 3 examples with you. By the third one you'll get the hang of it. In the first case, I've got a 36. Well, 36 is split up between 2 branches. This 18 on the right is split up among 2 branches. Once you've done that, you can see that this green square equals 9. But we can't yet figure out these 2 shapes on the right. So we're going to have to look to the left side. On the left side, I've got 3 hexagons. They total 18. That means each hexagon had to be 6. Well, if the hexagon is 6, that's going to allow us to figure out the triangle. Because 6 plus the triangle is 9, that means the triangle is 3. Next one. I've got a grand total of 48, balanced left and right, which means we've got 24 on the left, 24 on the right. On the left-hand side, we can easily pick off the triangles now. 3 triangles is 24, means each triangle is 8. And I see a triangle down there. That's going to give us a clue now to find the squares. Well, if we have 8 balanced with 8, we can figure out the value of the square. 2 squares is 8, means 1 square is 4. Now this question was a little bit harder because of these squares located here. But if you did everything right, all of our shapes should add up to give you 24 on the right-hand side. And sure enough, they do. Last one I'm going to do with you. The grand total of all of the shapes combined is 60, which means I've got a 30 split up with a 30. And that 30 is divided into 15 and 15. So there are 2 shapes that I can quickly get. The trapezoid and the square, using these branches. If 3 trapezoids is 15, 1 trapezoid is 5. And if 5 squares is 15, 1 square is 3. Now that we know that, let's plug those in everywhere else we see those shapes. We have a 5, a 3, and that's going to allow us to now get the heart. Looking at the right-hand side, I have a 5, 5, 3, and something, and that has to add to 15. Well, I'm missing 2. Now that I know my heart is 2, I can figure out that droplet on the left-hand side. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus something is 15. That means that yellow droplet is 9. So that was just 3 examples. I encourage you to check out the website that I posted in the description for this video. I wouldn't start at question 1. I think you'd find that too easy. Maybe jump into question 30. And if you get that really easily, jump ahead another 10 questions. Ultimately, you're going to find your comfort zone and you're going to start to get challenged very quickly by some of these. But don't give up. It's a very important skill that you're developing here. The idea of balance and equality. And if you can do these types of puzzles, I guarantee when you get to equation solving in the fall, you'll be thankful for it. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.